So you're saying brothers and sisters. So why did your father?
Cuentato os enseña.
So I agree, my beginning, they come, we shall agree. So I agree, my beginning, they come, we shall agree.
Mama Basti. Mama rejected Basti. Tiri rejected bastard. Why you they cry? Why are you crying? Why are you in pain? Why are you in pain? Oh. The men when you born for, different women don't born for them. Now they have family. Still, they don't want to associate with your useless bastard children. They reject them. That's your pain. It shock you. Like, what's my business if he married? Like, what is my business? He pain you say, even as he married, born, different women born for her. He then all in children life. But your own, they reject them for you. For Nigeria, our papa, they marry different women. The women go born for them. They go, all the children go know their papa. Your bastard don't know their papa. That pain go all me and what's my business? If you go here, if the men when you born for Coco, very ugly children when you born, the men no want see them. They no never see them for eye. Pour spit for your face. Shut up. I mean, they born picking when if you like the man get 20 wives. You just said the woman don't know. You just said the woman don't know. Me, I go beat you. Now me go beat you now for the social media. You talk to my baby daddy. You talk to the family, anybody. I go beat you. I go beat that useless Benin man. All his family, I go break all of them. I go beat all of them. The useless bad hair children when you get, the men run away from them. Oh, he pay you say, my pikin know your papa. The men when you born for, now only God know the weather and kokopiri. They don't get family, they get all that woman, they get all that children. They don't want me, your bastard children, even know the children when they born before. You are a disgrace. See the ugly bastard when you born. You don't know your papa again. Or my right? See how see ugly. This one, who is able to be past this bastard? So who you born for? Do you know the father? Did he know his father? This handicap, you know one, you know his papa. My father, now many women born for him. But all of us know the man when he born us. The men when you born, even this useless man now, when you go marry, different women don't born for him. Different women don't born for him. No be to born for man when he don't feel born or when he marry anything. The man know your bastard children. Hey, no. That's your pain. Your pain is everlasting. You talk to my baby daddy. You talk to the sister or anybody. Even the so-called wife when you say, Mary, I don't know. She not call me. Everybody there on you. You talk to her, I go pity you. This is your pastor will go there. Now me fair turn that one, the cap, I turn your children to goats. I go beat them. Shame on you, your bastard not know their papa. The men not even want to associate, they don't want to see your bastard for eye. Your useless papa when you born you, how many women born for him? Do you even know your father? He don't marry. What's my business? The time when he did with me, he never marry. I don't know whether he marry. And whether he even marry, say that's his own business. That's his own fucking headache. Now business be that. Me and the business now be this. Sorry now. Where is that your... Hey, I tell this one. Are you not ashamed that the bastard ugly children when they get no know their papa? Their papa no want see them for eye. He reject them from you right from belly. Tiri basti, tiri papa, they no want see them. How much more say they won't even all that children when the men born, he no one make you know say you born for them. Where you don't dey pain now. Oh baby daddy, caution. Me and a business I be that. And not concern me whether you get 20 women, whether you get 200. But the most important thing is saying a good man. Now man will be say if he born, if he like 20 women born for him, he they make sure say he should know him. What about you? What about you? Ugly, rejected. Your pain is everlasting. The men, even this one when you deal with, so this useless one, how many women don't born for him? Before you see now, before you will see single guy in a connection, me I was looking for a single. Before you see single guy, because of idiot like you, how many men you don't turn to baby father? Useless women, three papa. They know they see single guy again when he never born because of people like you. Double tap, love and like the video. Love and like the video. Love and like the video. He pay you say your bastard no know his papa. He pay you, he can pay. He can pay. They reject ugly children for you. They no want to see them again. They don't grow. Now different men the children can't know. He pay you say my pikin no. If papa come in life. Ooh. You thought to my baby daddy, I brush you. This idiot. Oh, if papa and mama, I'll come they mad their bitch or they beat them. Me, I never marry. And baby mama I been only born and don't born. You say that idiot when you put for us. In mama and papa, in sister, in children, all of them, I will grow all of them. Your body go clear. If na me say make man reject ugly, imbecile handicap for you, when they not look back, you will tell me if time come. Your pain is everlasting. Your pain is everlasting. As you go useless rich, as you go get bad dead rich, they reject imbecile for you. They not look back. As you go get bad dead rich, the men only go know they be. They no one even know whether you born. They no one even see the children. No wonder you pour the water in your body. After you don't drink and finish, you pour the rest. Isn't it? Isn't it? My pikin, my son, the king. When he king your papa, not be your mate. A man, a real man when he born. I mean, when he feel say, better woman born for him. Even if you are the woman not there, you go say that the children life. But you, the men get other children. They get many other children. They don't want to make them know your children know them. Then Yamagwalo. They never even present for their life before. The men when you feel born for when different women don't born for. Now only your bastard who the handicap when they buy for common and they reject. Different ugly kokopiri bastard children. See this one. See this one so. Wait till. Make I show you something. See as this one ugly again. Make una see what girl handicap. See another handicap. Very ugly, rejected from womb. The father not look back. See this other one. Another papa. 3 bastard, 3 papa. Handicap. Goat. This one are goat, man. They reject her from belly. The father not look back. See them. Very ugly. Give any aye chorion see am I your mate? You want to compare yourself with me? It depends and say my baby daddy. Then he became like because men reject the useless ugly thing when he born, they reject him. Up till now, those one wrong and like big boo. How many years those bastards all they now? They don't know their, if they see their papa for road, they will pass them. The men wrong. They're wrong. They don't look back because now bad heads. Bad head children when you born. My baby daddy, now maybe the 3rd woman when don't born for her. Maybe another one don't get belly, I don't know. But one thing about him, all his children know. That's why they present, they pick his birthday. He can pay. That's why if they carry picking, they go, they all you picking one. Because as a man, as you ready to the shook the bone, you go ready. But the men when you born for, they reject you. They not get another children. The men, you really say they don't buy. All of the things fear usual bad head. They not get another children. They never felt born before. But didn't they reject you and reject your ugly bastard? Why are you paying? Why they pay you? Oh, you said the woman don't know. The woman when whether you marry, I don't even know and I don't give a fuck. Another woman don't feel born for her before, even before that one. Another one will feel born after me. Yes. That's why I don't like Nigerian men. That they born, they follow everywhere. This bastard now when you put for us, now different women now you give belly no. When you they feed and you go still leave you, see go give another person belly. If you say the woman don't know. Oh, when I do, so you say no, he pay you a bill and talk cry. That's why I will go you. Yeah, I go. You're beating everlasting. 3 basi, 3 papa. 3 basi, 3 papa rejected ugly thing. Handicap. Make una see handicap. 9 years old picking not the waka. Oh, make una see. Make I show him again. 9 years or I be 10 years. It may bigger. You know the waka. Oh, yeah, meet some. Why are you crying? Why are you in pain? I mean, say me they reject ugly thing for you. Well, as he here say my baby daddy, the thing pain now. I don't say it go pain you. I don't say it go pain you. You ain't go all die. Cause you too useless. I don't say it go pain you well. I don't say it go pain you. Make una see the make I show. Yeah, see the handicap. Handicap. See handicap. Oh yeah, bigger. As you see this one, so they reject them. As you see this thing, so they reject them. They not look back. They know what. Imbecile, they reject them. As you see this bigger, so this handicap, so they reject them. Shame on you. See this bigger, bad head picking. As you see us on a bad head, he died for coma. Ofian guye coma, they reject him. See left for Greg. See handicap, see. Now wish I did since yeah. Oh yeah, bigger. See. Oh yeah, bigger, see. Make a car and go back. See, see rejected handicap away when they turn to goats. When I turn to goat, this speaking son when they say son are goats. 9 years, I be 10 years. Now they lay out to waka. Useless, smelly thing. When they reject up till now, they don't claim it. He are not rejected. Your pain is everlasting. See the ugly thing. See like go wherever talk. Oh yeah, bigger. See in life for grand. See in life. Handicap. Make una see wish picking bad head. See bad head. Ye bad head you know sungu. No ana sungu ni ba buana lawe gbe see handicap. See handicap yeah. Handicap. He leg not straight. How you go straight? Then they carry and they go cut his neck for a local tree. See his neck there. You know the syrup for his neck? Goats. They won't go buy for a local tree. Useless, ugly bastard when papa rejects. As you see and so, na different mama with the na different men. As you see that handicap, so na different men with the fucking mama now you don't know papa. That's why that one they cry. If they cry, my picking. Where my picking for comment? Those your theory handicap bastard, no they come out there. And that will be your pain till you die. Rejected children when they not look back. Rejected. Other men go born. 4 men go born, 4 women go born for them. But they go dead their picking life. You, they reject your own give you. Because now bad head children handicap. Children when they taro for it, they go keep for local tree. What is it that they use and do? But Yahoo, when it buy for command. 3 bus, 3 papa, public pit toilet. You are very useless. As you useless, now so your bastard useless, kokobiri ugly thing useless. When no go kill this afternoon, I they reject them for you. My baby daddy they all in picking life. Not be one woman but for him. He they all. His children know him. But this your bastard, so they know their father. Since they reject them for you for inside belly, they come back. Oh, you can't feel say as una do una rubbish for media. Say una no level for una. Na me be T-boss. And na me go beat una, put fire, go quench una. See your life. Pain won't finish you. He say he there with man for us, he not get joy. See, if they come, they cry. Imagine person when say he there with man for us, they cry for me when they say, baby daddy, now only my baby daddy. He they see he picking. He they cry waso. Say that T-boss not God. See who say there with man for her, because the real pain is that 3 men reject this bastard for him. They not look back. Because she for like can say the men they the picking life. The men don't get another woman, they don't marry. They don't born other children. They don't feel born before they know her. They don't born another one. They know all the children when they born. But you see this one when she born for them, they no one use that siam. That's how useless this thing is. That's how bad-headed the children when she born be. Who you want to compare yourself with? I never dealt with man for her soul. You see their pain. Even I saw that enemy they cry put. Not talk of you. Because now I saw that enemy now. Now if you see what they do when make me and my baby daddy quarrel rich like that, now it make their own whoever good for them. Ask old enemy if you know the role when they play when make me and my baby daddy. You know see the one when that idiot come with a bully at that time. This stupid papa predator. You know say when they talk to them. That one they come for everything when he deal with them. Now me won't beat and put. If you know what they do, everything to drive my baby daddy away. When they come my bed, when they see and they shock. Especially this papa predator. He shock. He see his sister for there, he shock. If my baby daddy come see picking, he shock. Mama, 3 basi, why he not go shock you? If he shock us all the enemy, why he not go shock you? If he shock household enemy. Why he no go shock you? Why he no go shock you? No bell. You when they reject for they not come by you. Wait. The leg not straight. If you know how many men those children don't see, but they don't know their real father. This one will come. From Victor will come today. They will say na their papa. Those one, their neck on long. When they take pull neck for road they wait. Tomorrow na James. Next tomorrow na from Victor. The other day na Amos. The other one. Now everybody they born those kind of children. That will be your pain. Because as a responsible woman, your duty is to make sure that you know who you gave birth to. Because say you don't know the kokobiri, this ugly thing, this handicap and this kokobiri, you don't know with their papa. Now I made those one reject them. See as this one ugly, yeah. See this handicap, no who wise. See again. Now I make shame, not the letter they show. Oh, Lord, ye mitsan. Oh, ye horio. Pour spit for your face, fatherless imbecile. Fatherless imbecile. Pour send you my face, wow, warrior. He pay you. He hear the cry for that side. Oh. Oh, you think say any woman when they with my baby daddy, you think say they don't know say born. Whether he marry, whether that one fair no say he don't fair born before, he know say he still born again. You think say he don't know. You think say you don't know like your useless ugly bastard children when they not look back. It can pain, it can pain. Now that they laugh last year, now that they cry. This handicap now, see useless, which you don't know you real papa. Now they cry now. Because the children now they reject them from her. If you like, bully anybody when you want bully my baby daddy, anybody when you want bully. It will not change the fact that your bastard, ugly, imbecile handicap say their fatherless, they don't know their father for her. Even at this their age, they reject them from Bel-Air. Children when they don't want, children when it's not good, when they reject. Children that is unwanted. Even with the best girls women my baby daddy get, you see them? It can pain. It can pain. Where is mine? Hey, look at the way you scatter this thing, my boy. Eh? Why are you scattering it like that? Now clean as they do since I don't feel wash clothes. Scatter everywhere. I will be by it raw in water. That's the work of a mother. Now come they pick things for granted. I don't want to be my work. I'm enjoying the work of a mother. All my enemies they pain. Now they say that they with me for us, so it's good to have. That's it. It's good to have joy. They go see the joy in you. They will be jealous because they don't get. Sarah Destiny. See this one now. Since when he say he born in Beshil, another bastard. He did woman for us. You don't go ever get joy. You don't go ever get joy. Now just my baby daddy come now. I never even bring my comment. By the time I will bring my comment, you'll see this unhappy soul. You'll see the cry when you cry. This unhappy single joy you not get. Not be to pretend for live video. You get joy for inside house. and rejected basti. You have joy. When the joy war, that's what we want to talk about. Do you have joy? Single one you don't get. My baby daddy na very, very. Even if you don't want woman, the woman when he fell born for you, and another boy, he see the thought of a picking till tomorrow. He still the thought of a picking. Never see in the fans. He want to go sit down. One thing about him, he the bonbon the full everywhere. That's one thing I like about him. He the bonbon they go because man when ready to not stay, put him prick for one place. He the bonbon they go, but he they make sure say his children know. That's why they carry. He say make this one know as they grow so, make it feel long. But this your bastard. Never did their papa hand for one day. Their real papa never carried them. How much more say he won't buy something for them? How much more say he go remember say that they do birthday? Even if na kafashan he go stay. That is your pain. That is your pain. It not good to born picking when they reject. Because I know what you they feel now say the men when you born for they reject your bastard for you. You are not in pain. Say you they carry bad dead children, they go. Children when you suppose flush. All this one you suppose flush they go their head. Because the way that they reject them, I never see begin when they reject like that. The way that they reject them. The men don't want even see them for eye. How much man say you want carry them? He no want sit down for eye. The men don't get many other children. Different women don't born for them. They get family. But they run away from all this bastard. They live on for you because if bad dead woman born for person, the children too are bad head. And waiting make your own worst. Not be even one man now. Ha! You are cursed. Not be one man now. No, so now one man. As you can't get bad dead rich. Different men when you born for different place, all of them reject the bastard for you. Pour spit for your face. And this handicap. Cry me and no shame. I not be your mate. Our papa for Nigeria, that time when they grow, they go get like 6 women. That's what you say some family now. They will say they get their papa married 5 women, 6. All of them will born. They will know themselves because this African men say, na polygamy be there, polygamy in nature. And in nature. And that one I call new thing. Now new thing I what bear you see single man when he carry you. Not be money you take they beg me, they fuck you free of charge, they go no bail. You see single man when you born for rejected elements. Which husband be that one? The saga. That one, I go beat that one. Eh? That pain when she did for his house, so when she not get joy, so I go beat him and that silence. That one go even carry cutlass. That one go carry something buy him for his house. When I go beat that one, put fire for that one body. That one not go know where he go take cut her neck. Or bewa juo wavani. Unhappy soul, cry me a river rejected imbecile. Rejected imbecile when you born. He say he walk on. He buff a man. He not concern me, my baby daddy. Lie. The only business we will get now is picking. Me and I not get any business. What's my lie? Me and I not there as he not married, we not there as it's not like he married me now. My way the only business when you get now, they can't see picking. I don't want pay it out on body for because not be what to be expect. Not be what to be expect. Not be what to be defined. Make we no do rush. Eat a Chris. I will bear you. You don't brush your mouth. No, I know they brush. Buy for there where fear whoever. Brush my mouth talk to you. You not human being. Are you a human being? You want to be spirit. See they talk. The problem is called they talk to spirit. Take. Do they brush mouth and talk to spirit? Eh? Mama Basti rejected. Basti rejected. Very ugly. Rejected Basti. The men don't want to associate with the bastard. Different men, no. So all the men when you born for now, they all cold now. They say they won't run. They say they don't want anything to do with the idiot when you born. They say they don't want anything to do with the ugly imbecile. The woman when he even born for my baby daddy for us, he's not even the first one that gave birth for my baby daddy. You just say you don't know. You know if he call me, because that one now you feel say since the if you know my baby daddy, any woman when decide to deal with him, you're ready to you get ready. Say now about 10 women. If he not control himself, if he not control it. So that one you know now, that one you're there lame. You not call me whether na a wife or whether na a girlfriend or whether na me. If man toss me today, say I won't go relationship. I like the man, I go friend down. If he can't say he can't marry, man, if they born the woman, will make he come meet me. All the one, he go call me for phone. Any man, because any man when he there outside, maybe I there outside now, na single. When he turns na single, he's a single man. If they pon you as a woman, you will call my line. Say, Shara, you're my husband. If they pon you well, or you will come face to face, come meet me. Because man, when he marry, I know where they dey. If man don't come outside, say they look for that woman. That means he's single. Do you get it? So I don't care. Now we not even there. Any woman when they there with now, I can't go call her. No, if I marry, man they with me for us. If you go meet another woman for outside, say hey, I go your drive way walk away. Me go they call another woman, they tell and say what are they crazy. The moment a man leave, you go say he won't go. That means the man don't. He tell me say in the single. Because only man when they single, now in they do. So in tell me say in they single. So yeah, I'll you carry him back throw where for 6-story building. He what we want fear for 6-story building. Me go Congo they come when you. That is why. Oh yeah, come and sit down. Oh yeah, take. Good boy. That is why, if man you toast me tomorrow, I don't like him. If we're friend there, if I like him. If they born you, will come a line. Share ya. Now my husband. If they born your mama, your papa, your generation, what's your line in me? Then I will not send a woman you pee. I will pay you all. Since when I me and my baby daddy they talk, no woman don't ever call me. Because they tell me say, now single man I meet, now single man will come the day. So any other one wanna talk, now your fucking business. It not concern me. Now me and the business now a day, so that's why they're gonna see picking. So we're seeing who. Me go ready one date. The man will come tell me, oh I'm single, I want to mingle. Then later you get a say. Now man, call my line. You call my line. If you know say you get balls, you call my line. Or you call me out. You will call me out. Tell me say the he got now your husband. That's still buzz. If me and man they deal, the time when we they deal, now when I want to consign me, after I don't come out, or me and another day, you know, consign me. It's not my business. My baby daddy, now me, I feel also me. It's when me and I separate, I never fuck. Now I know if he deny for him. Wow. Knowing the kind of person he is. Now nice man, but knowing the kind of person he is, I can't deny for him. Whether another woman doesn't get better for him, I can't deny for him. I don't even get it. Now my business with her, now this my son. Now they end. Now he go introduce his son. Even when he get prick, when he share for everywhere. Now he go do the work of introducing all his son or daughters together. Not be me go do that one. Hey, more warning. Now he can't get work to do. Not be me. No. Now he go come they gather all his children, all his seed. But you, the useless seed when they live for you, they're not final. Now bad seed. I prospect for their head and the cap. I prospect for their head. Rejected and the cap. Rejected, we share. Rejected and the cap. Rejected and the cap. Rejected and the cap. Rejected and the cap. Rejected goats. Away man. I pull up for their neck. I cut them in a guy. Why did you throw it away? When I go beat you. You don't say my pikin fine. Oh, your pikin fine. Yes. We quarrel and we settle. But your own now, the men agree on how much more they want settle. They said they don't want to see your ugly, sick, wheelchair, handicap. They don't want to see them. 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 Batoto, Zan we muri agbona. Now you go carry con life if you dey come again, so that it will worry you. The pain when you there for this life, your nerves will increase. Why are you shouting? Come here, can. Yeah. You want to go at me? You want to go at me, daddy? You want to go at me, daddy? Say yes. You want to go at me, daddy? You want to go at me, daddy? Say dada. Say dada. If you don't say dada, I will not carry you. Say dada so that you will pain them. Say dada. Now dada they fair they talk. Now dada they fair they me when they with time. You know they tell mama now dada they talk. Now dada. Say dada. Say dada. Ooh, what a picking. Easy to burn this guy. Bottle. Yes. Easy to burn butter picking. Oh yeah, bottle. It will make me for grand. That is why. Now it make me say I'll see both my baby daddy so that may your cry for increase now. Yes, because his sperm good. Yes. I like what he give me, very sound and healthy. Fine. So now it will make me born another one for her. Yes, now I won't born. And I pray to my Mother Earth, make it big girl. It's going to make it big girl. It's going to make you proud. I'm telling you. I'm praying to my Mother Earth so that it will be gay, and a boy. He said that now that they talk. Me and this people when you hear this is if Papa just come with the here. They say that's why I go send back, go package and I go give you Papa. Picking when they know you Papa. Picking when they know you Papa. This bastard, this mama, the cap, three bastards, three Papa don't know their Papa. They don't get Papa. Now this weekend when you do me, Me when he offered that day, he won't do me. They say that say, hey, I don't. Which day your daddy come here? Why do you do this to me? I go they shout what I would they turn and say mama, me mama. They look and say you no that. I should have thought that they betray person. No. He do me. Say dada for what? Say mama. And the more you they tell me they say mama, the more they say dada. I don't know all children now, so they do it. Many of the when they wash. When you they tell them, they say now that time. Now the opposite that they do. They not go talk that thing when you talk. Yes. I love you, Dada. My daddy. The king. Where know Papa. The king where you Papa. The king, the answer king. Mama Basti Mta. Mama Basti. Tiri Papa. And the cap. Your cry will long. Oh, what's It's so adorable, I'm telling you. So adorable. So adorable. Hi. That is the night make me a day has 24 hours. If you see my parlor, even when I hear sing, at this one they walk, at this one they talk, at this one they fire out these people. All these people when they claim say the day with the day for us, the day we man for us, see them. Now let me they make them uncomfortable. They know they sleep, they know they drink water, they drunk up because of Sarah. Now Sarah not get man for us, but now on top of my head now they cry. You see how useless this idiot are? Now Sarah not get man for us, but now Sarah they beat all of you now together. Sarah T-balls. Even if now be 10,000, I go crush all of you now. It crush war. That's who I am. Mama Basti, it should know they give her joy. Now hospital, then they carry they go. Now it be the thing oh. Now pain, the children they give her pain. Make I show you my darling. See here. They know they give her joy. That is why they pain and say my pikin they give me joy. My pikin fine. You don't talk. Tiri Basti, Mama Basti. You shouldn't have pain that they give her. That's why she they look up and down. Oh, she won't put the pain for her body. No, I say your pain remain and die with you. You the craze. Una pain there with una. You know whoever come out. Are you mad? Where they can they go? One more area. See, he left for grand girls. He made Benny see, what go man say? Nana years old, Nana they learn to waka. They go like mad person. They pull rope for a neck. Your mama they can't they go where they for one cut time for local tree. Oga pole here they way. Oga pole here. Wa deva wa gbon. Wa sungu enu sungu na. Me guys they buwe. Those mama salas and papa salas make them wait for me. Me guys they go here. They go pursue you here who me are not the woman for us so me go be one way. Iya who wear roi. Wa deva wa undan. So pain in her eye every time she's talking about you. She's wondering why God keep blessing you. Thank you. You can see the pain in her eye. No, she cannot stop talking about me because she's seeing the joy. She declares that she dealt with my people. Still, she not get joy. Any joy? Only day she not feel go. You see this handicap. Now to you they born for different men for house. Now she sabi. Me and my baby daddy go there. Maybe we for holiday we for go celebrate our baby birthday. Holiday planning. She not now to you the day has they born for different men. Very useless thing. Unhappy soul. No joy, no happiness, nothing. Any joy. See, this one to the wagon and drop her. This one na a most. Now this one tell me say he should they come and they cry for come. Now this one fucking. You see how this man ugly. After he used that to finish, he dump her. Sorry. Take now. You see how this boy ugly? After he used and for fucking finish, he dump am. He can't meet me, he can't describe it for social media. Hey, and small thing we dey see for him. She can't stop. She dey wonder why God, you know, she call me barren. When God bless me, now God put her for pain. Now she can't dey pain no. And na me can't expose her, and me expose her, thought the old world say, in wickedness don't catch up with her. Say in bastard children they come. Now me expose her. That's one of the pain when she did. When I tell expose her for this social media, I go beat you, we guys boy. Now me they beat you well, I'm you not get hand to do anything. Where more boy? You don't have hand.
Blessed. I don't even.
Where more born ya? See.
So I agree, my pikin dey come. We shall agree.
This is a pain. The children are pain they give us. Say, Mama, come.
So I agree, my pikin dey come. We shall agree.
Mama, come. Bell.
So I agree, my pikin dey come. We shall agree.
Now I make sure they wish other people children sick because our bastard three ugly idiot rejected, all of them is sick. This one when they born children when they die for coma for 2 years. That is why I will continue to they beat you. You don't get anything when you won't tell me. Error 0. Now maybe go continue to they beat you. Evidence, boy. I get your evidence to finish you. As old enemy as they can't useless rich. Now since last year that they find me, now they plan me. They not fit give you evidence, may you take beat me for this media. But if not me, I for pack a lot of evidence come out, a lot of video. As old enemy not fit give you anything. They know as your evidence many for my hand, so they no fit give you nothing. Nothing they give you. As those one useless, and so you useless. Imagine people when they say that they ask the enemy, no worry about no. Me, I go get you for mind for 1 month. I go then follow you. The kind of things when I go pack come out for your life. This asshole enemy, me. The way when they are died, they dated, they fight, they naked. Now me for video. If video, the way when they shoot, when they take the pack medicine, they put for into remat, I go video ran. If they not take, I go video a day toto. That year 2 when we miss it. If video ya do via ya da. That's Serati boss. They don't come my house. They come my house 2 times. They don't see anything give you. Not even one video go say, see waiting share account they do. See picking no the time when it's so. See picking the time when they do this one. Nothing if it give you. All of the way wanna take useless. But now then the plans I want to beat me for social media since last year. If me get all those ass old enemy for mind, I dey plan they just 1 month, only 1 month. Not to talk of 1 year. I go come enter their house. You know wetin I go pack for the social media. It's good to be good. The household enemy come my house 2 times. He no see anything video or anything give you. Una useless. Because Sarah, I know be una mate. But if not me, I don't even get there for my though, but I still get things to beat them. Me, I know they plan you for mine, but if you come, things go down when I'll finish you. I know they plan. If me come plan now, the way they take they plan me, for just 1 month or 2 months, this social media will turn upside down. Cause waiting I will they pack comment, and you have violation. I know what they use man they talk, may you no go on. I beg you wow. Let the video be doing the talking. As you they pack medicine they put for those in bedside. As you they pack tissue. All the one you can't even do it for my house. If to say me no so now they plan me. When you they pack towel they put for that in bed amount. And for video then now. Not be 1, not be 2, not be 3, not be 4, not be 5. Yeah, video here now. And for video of them now. You come my house. My pikin. Wait till they go hospital. I did there. You see some people say now you know video. You when they plan me. You know video. You say as soon as useless. If they now they know video can't give you mama basti. Block the red dead. I know they see them more. They're there. Make they cry. Either they cry. Thumbs up this video. Thumbs up. Imagine as old enemy come they plan me. They even come my house. I open my door for them. They don't see anything. I'm mad to tell you. They don't see anything video give my enemy. Monekia now for your day. Even Lolekia, all of them. You not even see something, even give them Monekia. Monekia, the bit when I give her. If you see any video or anything when it goes, Monekia, I'll jump in Latin. Then Monekia, and not say no to wear, I want you to wear Wahala. Or was you said that Lolekia, we're not turning. When mommy me if you're gay. We not time I mean because we not time like all those videos because you go have a video. We not time the show. Oh man. But if to say na me, they plan you for 1 month. You yourself, you know. You see this evil when you know they plan for me since last year. If to say na me, it's short. Therefore they come and say I be bad person. But see you now, you call, you don't see any video. Now match you supposed to talk. You know I can wear out a video. You not come my house. We marry women. Ask all enemy, shame. Why you worry about even this mama dead body? Ooh, honey, I want your sarena. Bishon. Oh, the beat when I beat that one. When I tell bring it come out for come and then I worry. You see the fire shader. You not even see video give that one. You don't see nothing. You come my house.